talk about a topic today that should you be dressing up for the job that you actually want? So, this is a deeply discussed topic that you should always be dressed sharply, and you should not be dressed for the job that you are currently doing, but you should be dressing for like one level above, right? So, your dress, as in the clothes that you wear and the accessories that you carry, maybe in some cases, should be for one level above. It should be a rung above. But how true is that? Does it really work? And I am not going to talk about the generic knowledge that people offer in abundance. I'm going to talk about my personal experience, and my personal experience is that nothing beats your performance, right? The main decider of whether you will be considered for a promotion or not, the primary decider would be how you are performing at your existing job, and also whether you are performing or not at the next level, right? So in the tech industry and the private industry, whether you will be promoted or not depends on whether you are already performing at the next level or not. So where does the whole dressing up comes into the picture, right? So in a lot of scenarios, what happens is that you have to fight for attention. You have to fight for displaying or kind of showing or getting the eyeballs and traction on your work to the higher management, right? And if you are dressed poorly, you are often overlooked, right? So first point that I'm making is that you should not be dressed poorly. You should be dressed sharply, right? Because if, let's say, that you are working in your limited kind of domain, and you want to have a breadth-wise impact, you will be interacting with more people more across the organization, then obviously your higher ups will feel little bit risk in presenting you at that level. So that is definitely one point to kind of keep in mind when we are talking about being dressed up sharply. Secondly, in my personal experience, you will start getting initial traction. People will start listening to you. If you are dressed up appropriately, people will start giving you attention. But now what you do with your attention, what you will do with this extra attention that you gathered by being dressed up sharply, will primarily depend on how much depth you have and what is your potential, right? So once you get that depth, you have to make sure that you make the best use of it. So obviously it can be used